What is Ckls50 and what does it do for each of the 4 organs it targets? Let's break it down. Colon, kidneys, liver, spleen. Most supplements target one system. Ckls50 targets 4 simultaneously, the 4 organs at the center of your body's internal detoxification and immune system. When these 4 organs are clean and functional, your entire body performs differently. When they're congested, you feel it everywhere. Let's go organ by organ. The colon. Your colon is the final stage of digestion and the primary route for waste elimination. When the colon is sluggish or compacted, toxins sit in contact with your gut wall and some get reabsorbed. Ckls50 supports colon health with a combination of natural fibers and botanicals. Cascara sabrata gently stimulates the colon muscles to move waste through. Psyllium husk adds fiber bulk, softening stool and feeding beneficial bacteria. Slippery elm soothes the colon wall, reducing inflammation and supporting tissue integrity. A clean colon means toxins exit the body instead of recirculating. The kidneys. Your kidneys filter over 200 liters of blood every day. They remove metabolic waste, regulate electrolyte balance, control blood pressure, and produce hormones. When the kidneys are under stress, from dehydration, high-protein diets, medications, or environmental toxins, their filtration capacity drops. Uva ursi leaf supports kidney and urinary tract health by reducing bacterial load and supporting kidney tubule function. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output to flush metabolic waste without depleting potassium. Juniper berry supports kidney filtration and has antiseptic properties that protect the urinary tract. Clean kidneys mean cleaner blood, less metabolic waste in circulation. The liver. Your liver is your primary detox organ. It processes everything: nutrients, hormones, medications, alcohol, environmental chemicals. Milk thistle seed protects liver cells with silymarin, blocking toxins from entering and accelerating regeneration of damaged tissue. Burdock root supports the lymphatic system, reducing the load of toxins the liver must process. Yellow dock root stimulates bile flow, carrying processed toxins out of the liver and into the colon for excretion. A functioning liver means your blood is continuously cleaned and your hormones are properly metabolized. The spleen. The spleen is the organ most people forget. It filters old and damaged red blood cells from the blood. It stores white blood cells and platelets, releasing them when your immune system is activated. It's central to lymphatic drainage and immune surveillance. When the spleen is congested, immune function is compromised. Echinacea supports white blood cell production and immune activation, directly supporting the spleen's immune role. Astragalus root is an adaptogenic herb that strengthens the spleen's immune function and supports the production of healthy blood cells. A healthy spleen means faster immune response and cleaner blood at the cellular level. Together, Ckls50 creates a complete internal environment reset. The colon clears the elimination pathway. The kidneys filter the blood. The liver processes and neutralizes toxins. The spleen maintains immune surveillance. When all 4 are working together, your body does what it was designed to do: heal itself. This is not a single organ supplement. This is a complete internal detox system. Ckls50, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.